Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to use this palette that I actually just got this morning. I found it at Walgreens and it's by Profusion. It was only $10, so yeah, I had to snag it. This is what the inside looks like. It's giving me very Halloween vibes. I also found another Profusion palette and this little guy, it's so cute. Like, look at it, looks like a little purse, a little clutch. This is what the inside of this one looks like and it's so cute. I'm so excited. I was trying to go for something like more October themed, I guess you could say. I'm super excited. I got my dog a spider Halloween costume while I was out today, so it's gonna be so cute to see him in it. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right in this video. If you'd like to see how I created today's look, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so that was it. Are you gonna try and pick up this palette at Walgreens? They had another one that was called like Mercury Retrograde, but it was more like cool tones, so I went ahead and got this one instead. So I also found some new eyelashes while I was out today because my favorite are the Kiss Chimais. I don't know how to say it, so don't make fun of me. But yeah, those are my favorite and they never have them in stock here in town, so I usually have to order them on Amazon. But I went ahead and picked up some of these Kiss Lash Drop lashes. So the ones that I have on right now are You Do You. So, and then I also picked up Icy because they are like super long, like the ones that I usually wear, so I figured I'd give them a go. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe so you can see future videos I'll be posting multiple times a week here on my channel. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I hope you guys have a good day. hopefully I have a good day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.